21-year-old booked for a mechanic's murder in Portmore. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 21-year-old Lamar Miller, a mechanic of New Harbour Village, Old Harbour, St. Catherine, has been charged with murder following the stabbing death of a man in the parish on Monday, May the 19th. Dead is 21-year-old Jerome James, a mechanic of Passage Fort, Waterford, St. Catherine. Reports from the Portmore police are that at around 6 p.m., James and Miller got involved in an altercation during which Miller allegedly used a knife to inflict stab wounds to James' upper body before escaping from the area on foot. The police were alerted, and on arrival, James was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Miller was subsequently arrested during a police operation and charged on Thursday, May 29. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.